Are we in the bull market already, or will we have a big correction later? This video will give you some more insights about that. In the end of the video, I will also give you my own view about the S&P 500, and also I will also analyze the top 7 stock in the US market. So if you like this kind of trading tips or education, click like, subscribe, and share with your friend, and join my free email list. So let's start. So welcome to ymchannel. So we are now looking at the S&P 500 weekly chart. You can see from the bottom right now already bounced up about 61.8%. This is our weekly chart. It's already above 61.8%. Okay, so already above this peak in August 2022. So we have a single leg. We haven't formed a double bottom yet. So sometimes it doesn't form when the market is too strong. We just have a single bottom, which is fine. So let's look at the other top 7 tech stock. The famous one right now, the very popular one, everyone know about it, is NVIDIA. Even for people don't really know stock market, they even ask me, what do you think about NVIDIA? They're thinking to buy. So you need to be a bit careful about this stock already. So from the bottom, which is around $100, they already go up by 4 times. So basically right now, today is $4 to $6. Okay, so already go up 4 times. So you can see here the single leg very strong. It doesn't have a pullback, so it go all the way up. Okay, so already above the previous peak. So a bit cautious if you want to buy in this stock. Yeah, so anyway, this video is about the education purpose. I'm not your financial advisor. Just a bit careful because it's already have the overbuy signal here, okay? So, but it show overbuy signal doesn't mean it will stop going up. So it just show you the overbuy signal. It haven't confirmed they will go down yet. So you need to be aware. But if you want to buy more, so you just need to be careful because on the for the business model, the biggest customer like Google or Tesla, they already start to invent their own chips. So can NVIDIA maintain or increase their revenue in the future is still a big question mark, right? So now we look at the second strongest tech stock. So this is Apple. So you can see already right now we already above the previous peak here. Okay, this is above the previous peak. And the first stock is Microsoft. So it's the same case. Now it's hitting the previous peak. You can see this is a weekly chart. So it's hitting this previous peak. We haven't closed our candle yet. Today is Monday. So you can see we are still at the previous peak. So it's quite strong, this one. The next one is Google. It's less strong. You can see from the bottom, we already bounced up about 61.8%. And we are hitting our resistance line here. They're going down a little bit. So this is the Google, 61.8%. The next one is Meta. Meta is on the weekly chart is already just above 61.8. Of course, this candle has not yet closed, right? We just start this candle. So let's see the next what's going on, right? So, but it's already above, so it's quite strong already. This is our Meta. The next one is Netflix. So Netflix rebounds from the bottom here is around 50%. Now it stopped at this 50%, this line. And the next one I want to check with you is Tesla. Tesla from the bottom, you can see we bounce same 50%. So this is very strong trend also, right? So the next one is Amazon. It's less strong, but still they have about, it's just about 40, it's just around 40%. So it's about 38.2. It's not as strong as the previous 6 stock, but it's still not too bad compared to other stock in S&P 500. I will show you what's going on here. You can see this is from Goldman Sachs. So the whole S&P, if you whole S&P 500 is around 11% go up from 2022 December, okay? And just the last top 7 magnificent stock I have just mentioned, they go up by 53%, okay? 35%. That's a lot, I would say. So you can see in my analysis, it's like most of the stock, they go to 50% rebounds or even above 50% or even above the previous peak, right? So you can see this is how strong it is. The whole top 7 tech stock is 53% rebounds already. And if you don't look at the whole S&P 500, if you don't look at these 7 stock, basically the remaining 493 companies, basically the growth is almost 0%. So this you need to be careful because it's quite show that actually the whole market, is it really that strong? Not really. The S&P is 11%. If you just look at S&P, it seems quite strong. But if you look at this chart, then you will realize, wow, okay, actually those 7 tech stock are the ones to support the whole growth of the index, right? So you need to be a bit more cautious about this. So I want to show you, so now S&P 500, we already bounced to about this 61.8% here. We are above this line. So now I'm going to tell you what I think what's going on in this S&P 500 later. So let's look at 2019, this graph. So I would say our following trend is there's a high chance that we follow 2019 this trend. So basically we are right now very similar. We go to somewhere here, basically, okay? So what happened in 2019 is they go to the previous peak level, pull back, and they go all the way up above this previous peak, and then they have a big drop to form a double bottom here. You can see this is our weekly chart to form our double bottom. So right now we haven't got our double bottom yet. So what I think is there's a high chance that we're still going up and even go above this previous peak here, okay, about 4,800. And they have a chance to go all the way down to form a double bottom. So my own view is Q4 and Q1. Oh, sorry, this is a typo. This is 2014, I mean 2024, basically. Q1, they have a big chance that they decrease, basically. This is my prediction, my guess. Of course, they can, maybe I was wrong, right? I just give you a bit more insight. So right now, we're still on the upward trend. On our weekly chart, you can see we have a higher high and higher low already. So basically, we already go above this downward trend line. So we are in the upward trend. But since the interest rate will stop going up, so they will have like a interest rate reverse, basically. So basically we will have, there's a possibility that we will have a big correction. So if this is the case, we will go down to form double bottom, okay? So just need to be a bit careful about if you have the margin account or if you do leverage, okay? So this is my prediction. If you like this kind of information, click like, subscribe, and share with your friend. And I see you in the next video. Bye-bye.